Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about the Disney cruises, when Disney cruises are going to resume the services, where you can go ahead and apply for a cruise ship job, and some of the very interesting facts which you don't know about Disney cruises. So please watch this video till the end, and I'm going to cover everything in this video. So I don't want to waste more time. I don't want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. Awesome. With some information about the Disney cruises. Now, Disney cruises was started in year 1995. Disney owned 4 ships which is already in operation. And the name of those ships are so beautiful. I really love it. Now the names are Disney Dream, Disney Wonder, Disney Fantasy, Disney Magic. Now Disney is also coming with a new ship, and the name is also very beautiful, and the name is Disney Wish. It is so Disney, right? Now, when is the Disney going to start sailing again? The biggest question remains, and Disney has announced their sailing date. So these are the dates Disney is going to sail again. So Disney Dream will be August 9, 2021, Disney Fantasy September 4, 2021, Disney Magic July 15, already in a service, Disney Wonder September 24, 2021. As I told you before, Disney also announced that they are going to launch a new ship which is Disney Wish. It is going to start next year in month of June, and the date is 17 June 2022. And guys, you can see I have also mentioned the capacity of the passenger on a Disney ship. So Disney ships are not very huge but not very small also. You can say medium sized ships. It is really fun cruising in a Disney ships. Well guys, now some fun fact about Disney cruises. If you are cruising or even working on a Disney cruises and there is a release of a Disney movie, you can see the movie premium on the Disney cruise itself, where we have a theater on a cruise ship. You can watch the movie over there. Now second thing, whenever you're cruising, be ready with your camera, your mobile phones, because anytime, any day you can see a Disney character just passing by and shaking hand with you. So it will be very interesting to take a picture with them. Very important, jobs. Yes, how you can make your career in Disney cruises. Now this is the website you need to go ahead and log in. So the website name is jobs.disneycareers.com. Now you need to go here and select the category Disney Cruise Line and apply for a job accordingly. If you have that kind of a qualification and experience which they are looking for, you can go ahead and apply for it. And Indians can go ahead and apply in Airborne. I have already made a video on that. Airborne is the agency in India which is located in Mumbai. So you can just go ahead and register on their website and apply for a Disney Cruise jobs, because they are the official partners for Disney Cruises. So guys, this was the update from the Disney Cruises. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. So stay tuned with Cruising with Goldy. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.